we'll be talking about new employees, what you should know. Like you're having a problem with your boss, you don't know how to go about your boss, you don't know the right step to take, and every other thing. So I'll be telling you some tips on how to go about it. Yes, it's a big issue. A lot of people now, when they get a job now, they don't stay up to a month or two because they don't know how to handle their boss. It's a very big thing in the work industry right now. So now I'll be telling you some tips on how to navigate that if you're having an issue like that. And if you're not having an issue like that, please share this video to someone who might need it. Thank you so much, and let's dive into it. One, observation. Observation is key. It is very important for you to observe your environment, especially your work environment, especially your boss. Again, your new boss. Don't bring that your experience from your previous work to this place. What you have is your experience on the job, not on your colleagues or on people, because the people you're going to meet here are different people from the previous one. Your previous different from your new colleagues right now, different from your new boss right now. So you need to observe. One, you need to see how your boss interact with performing and non-performing staff. So that is when you are going to know how to navigate it. When you see how your boss deal with a performing staff and not performing staff, this will tell you how to go about it. If you're not performing and if you're performing, this is the treatment you are going to get. So it will give you reassurance that, oh, where do I belong now? Do I belong in those that are performing or those that are not performing? So you will be the one to answer that question. Two, understanding expectation. Understanding expectation is also very key. It's also very key because you should know what your boss value the most. Is it speed? Is it creativity? Is it accuracy? So you'll be able to tell. If you know that, you should be able to tailor it along their priorities. What I mean is that if you know your boss likes speed, so time management is key for him. If he gives you an assignment by 4 p.m., make sure you drop it on his desk by 2 p.m. because he demands speed. He wants you to be fast. Time management is his core value, is what he valued the most. If your other boss like creativity, he likes you to think as if there is no box. He likes you to give a unique ideas. Also, anything you are doing, you must know that you must give something that is very unique idea. Do you get what I'm saying? If it's someone that loves accuracy, you know, is a perfectionist, he wants everything in details, everything. You should know what your boss value the most. And if you do that, trust me, you don't need have a problem with your boss, because you are working alongside with what he wants. And first, because you have observed him, you've seen what his expectations are. Thirdly, again, communication style. Communication style, you're using the method of your previous employer. Maybe it's face-to-face chat. Why this one likes you to send an email to him or to her, but you don't want to get used to it. You're like, I'm already used to this one now. Sharp, I'll just see him and tell him or her what I want. But this person is telling you that I want you to send me an email. If your boss love email, do that what your boss wants. If it's face-to-face chat, do what he wants. Don't use your previous employer to follow on the new one. Yeah, guys, the part 2 of it is loading very soon. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get notification when my video pops up. And if you subscribed already, you know I love you. Guys, let's go to the comment section. Let it be interactive. If you have other ideas, you can drop it on the comment section so we can also learn one or two things from there. Please, guys, if I see the engagement is something encouraging, I'll have to drop the part. So if not, I do something else. So take care. Bye.